Hey, what's up XRP holder? It's time to celebrate now, and this video we will talk about the expected price target of XRP, my brother, and also we predicate this coin video technical analysis, and I will update you, my brother, about XRP price and absolutely everything now. So this time, my brother, XRP will completely and the form and moving upward hour by hour, minute by minute. But first of all, we need, my friends, to see the update. So the update is, you can see, my brother, absolutely very good jumps, my brother. You can see in the last 1 hour plus 4.69% moving upward. Last 1 day you can see plus 7.02%. Last 7 days plus 25.9%. These three change occurs, you can see, my brother, completely positive now, and I am so happy, my brothers, to this is really highest profit now. And this time you can see, my brother, the rank is going to be 6 now. I hope they will hit Cardano. If my brother, the speed is going to be double now, so they will hit now easily Cardano, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time very fast, my friends, they will hit less. Let's see, my brother, this time you can see the market cap, as you can see here, my friend, 30 billion, 24-hour volumes 3 billion, and you can see, my brother, the circulating supply 46 billion, max supply 1 billion. So my brother, distribution, as you can see, 46.31%, and we need, my brothers, to predicate this coin. So let's see, and after that I will tell you, my friend, the expected price of XRP, my friend, what's our target. So this time XRP, my friend, you can see the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and 0.96% my friend is there of profit, and just in only in the all month, but definitely, my friend, and last week, my brothers, they will give you a very good profit now. So I'm so happy to see this. Yes, my brother, if we predicate this coin, so definitely this is very easy now, my brother. You can see here after a fails, you can see every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation, but definitely, my friend, this time you can see here XRP will completely wake up and moving upward direction. I hope in upcoming time they will also move upward more than more, my brother, but just in only you need to hold. So please remember, my brothers, to this time the price is very cheap now, and if you have any plan to invest more, so go invest now. I hope in upcoming time the price will be go in the double now, and they will make you a millionaire now. So thanks for watching XRP holder. Please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification, because XRP channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. Allah Hafiz.